Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prentokea Primary School from Bushenyi.
Buri mwaka government karabero ministry y'obwegese netebekanise mpaka z'ebyeshongoro n'emizano kuhera bejo kutungura entaranta zabo hamwe no kujanjaza omuranga gw'ebyobwegese omuyanga. Omwaka ogw'empaka ezitebekanisibwa hansi yo kurinda ebyobuhangwa omu mashomero school greening okuhandikisa abaana barikuzarwa birth registration obuyonjo bw'omukanwa oral health hamwe n'okurwanisa omuswija gw'ensiri mass action against malaria.
Look with kind eyes, talk with closed mouth, act upon climate change. Classrooms, children learn with wonder bright. The ways of the earth, its rhythms, its might. Just, I see green. She sees green.
378 marks. Prentokea Primary School, Bushenyi.
Ishomero rya Prentokea rya Bushenyi n'umwe amashomero agetabira mu mpakezi kandi aba batunjira umwanya gwa katanu mu mpakezi no bubonero 1378 omu 2016 evire nebahayanurwa.
Empowering students to lead and change with green. Form a green club where students excel and lead.
Mpaka zihange zo mwaka gushakirwe kitongore cy'ebyendangamuntu mu ihange cyanira hansi yo mutwe gwo kwandikisa abana barukuzarwa ministry y'amagara hansi yo kurwanisa omushija gw'ensira hamwe n'oburwire bwa sickle cell obuyonjo bwo mukanwa hamwe no kurinda ebyobuhangwa mu mashomero cyo rukomanywa nka green schooling. Abwa TV West ndi era achiza.